Hey guys, here we have this BMW X5 50e with the M Sport package. So crazy car, and it is getting a full front PPF plus the rocker panels, and we're doing a little more stuff on it like window tint and stuff like that. But main emphasis today is just gonna be a quick walkthrough on the actual full front PPF. So far we've gotten the hood down, we've prepped up the rest of the car. So you can see it gives it that very high gloss, almost like it's been paint corrected and ceramic coated. But realistically, when it comes to PPF, you don't need a ceramic coating. You don't need a paint correction underneath it because this is gonna fill in kind of all those blemishes. You need a paint correction after you've removed the PPF in 10 years because your paint needs to be kind of polished to bring it back to its former glory. We're gonna wrap and tuck all these edges over, and we're gonna get a nice, clean, seamless finish where you don't even see the PPF and it's doing its job. So to a lot of people, it might even look like the grill is made out of plastic, and traditionally with plastics, you can't really protect them with PPF, but this is actually painted satin by BMW. So we're gonna apply some satin PPF on top of this one right here, and that's gonna protect it from rock chips and getting scratched up. Because with satin finishes, you cannot polish them out. They need to be replaced or repainted, but this is gonna protect that. And we're also gonna protect this itsy bitsy little camera down there. We're gonna put a little piece on it so it doesn't crack. Seen that happen to the last X5 that we did. So this is definitely an interesting project, but nothing that we haven't done before. So I think let's just check out this hood real quick, and then yeah, you guys will see the finished product on Friday. Hey guys, quite a windy day, but we're back with the X5 and it is all finished up in this beautiful clear gloss PPF. You can really see it bring out the shine of that carbon black paint. It's all finished up. You can't even tell. Honestly, the customer, when he walked in, he was like, I can't even tell there's anything on there. And that's what we always aim for. We want to wrap all our edges and everything, just make sure it's all good. This is ready to send out. Another happy customer. Thank you guys.